welcome back to my channel. In today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo why I like Microsoft OneNote as my number one note-taking app. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung mga basic feature niya. And guys, itong Microsoft OneNote, pwede nyo siyang i-download for free from Microsoft Office as a package or as the software just by itself. Dito makikita nyo yung mismong notes na tinake ko when I was in university. But later on, gagawa tayo ng brand new notebook with section and pages para makita nyo kung paano gumawa ng sariling notes dito sa app na to. So here, as you guys can see, these are your notebooks. Meron na akong notebooks na na-create ko before. And you can also open other notebooks here. These are your previous ones. Let's go back. So in your notebooks, you can create different sections. And what I really like about these sections, you can color code them. So ito mismo yung notebook ko. This is my notebook for school year 2015 to 2017. I was taking investigative studies, and these are my courses. So within this section ang tawag dito guys, you can create different pages. So for instance, here I have on the right side, these are your pages. I put my references on one essay that I submitted before. You can also, ito better example. You can create pages for first chapter and second chapter, and then for your assignments. What's this word? Court assignment. So yeah, again, notebook, section, pages. So let's try to create our own notebook. What you'll do, click nyo lang tong nasa taas, and then look for add notebook. And here on your left side, you have different accounts. So I have my university email. I have my personal email address. Let's try to create a notebook for YouTube. Okay. Your notebook has been created. Would you like to share it with other people? For this one, no, I don't want. Okay, so now we have notebook for YouTube. And I really like this feature kasi ako yung tipo ng taong mahilig magsulat. Pero ngayon, nasa digital space na kasi tayo. So I like to make some notes with Microsoft OneNote. And it's also accessible in your smartphone. Compatible siya with Android and iPhones, guys. So here we can create sections. So let's say I can put beauty. These are some of the topics that I post in my YouTube channel. Let's do it caps. Beauty. I'm gonna add another section for fashion. Wellness and lifestyle. So yun, automatic nang nilagay ni Microsoft OneNote yung color dito. But good news is you can actually change it. So right click nyo lang, and then change it, select section color, and then pwede nyo na siyang i-change from there. So, like what I mentioned earlier, within these tabs, these are your sections. You can create different pages. Okay. So here, we're in a beauty section. I can do, you're gonna go on the right hand side, and then itapat niyo yung cursor niyo dito sa untitled page. You can either double click or right click. So I'll do double click to rename. And here on the actual dito mismo sa page, you can put the name of your page or on the right hand side. So kahit saan dyan. So this one, I'm gonna name it as skincare. Okay, so that's my first page. The second page, I want to put morning routine. Okay, and you can always rename this. If you make a mistake, you can rename this. So let's say skincare, I want to rename it to nighttime. Okay. And also you can customize the font, the size and everything. So for this one, I want to make it bold. Yan. And then right click lang guys for more option. If you want to delete a certain section and pages, you can also do that. Just right click and then delete. Also for your pages, right click and then delete. You can also move your sections around. So for instance, here, I want to move it here, there. So all you have to do is just click and drag. If you're using your trackpad, kailangan yung i-click yung left side ng trackpad nyo while dragging the certain section that you want to move. So what I just clicked there is if you want to move a certain section to a different notebook. So for example, I want to move this section here. So rather than copying and pasting each sections and pages, you can just move the whole section to a different notebook. So if I want to move this section fashion to this notebook mix, I can do that. Or just take note that if you click move, mag-move lahat nung notes nyo. So if you want to retain a copy of this section dito sa YouTube notebook nyo, just click copy. Alright. You can also move this to another section. And let's say I want to do that here, wellness. Merge. Are you sure you want to merge fashion into wellness? This action cannot be undone. Merge section. The merge was successful. Do you want to delete the original section fashion? Delete. Okay. So right now, hindi nyo makikita yung fashion. But let's say I created notes in that within that section, it will show in here. Okay, so that's it for today. Again, with Microsoft OneNote, you can create your notes, you can create notebooks. Within notebooks, you can create different sections, and within different sections, you can create different pages. If you guys want to see more videos, just let me know and I can create more tutorials for you. Dito sa video na to, basic lang yung ginawa natin. Just for you guys to have an idea kung ano ba tong OneNote and saan nyo siya pwedeng gamitin. Hindi lang to pang school, guys. You can also use this if you have your business or just for quick notes. There's a lot of different feature within this application that we will tackle in our future video. And again, this one is free. So, saan ka pa?